Let's be honest, mopping usually sucks. I've spent way too much time pushing dirty water around my kitchen, so I finally went out and bought the 5 most popular spin mops to see which ones actually make life easier. I've spent the last week scrubbing tile and hardwood to find out which buckets are worth the floor space and which ones are just a headache.
Product number 1. O-Cedar Easy Ring Microfiber Spin Mop. When I first pulled the O-Cedar Easy Ring out of the box, it felt pretty sturdy for a plastic bucket. The triangle-shaped mop head is what really caught my eye. In my testing, that shape was a lifesaver for getting deep into the corners behind my trash can where dust always hides. The foot pedal is smooth. I didn't have to stomp on it to get the wringer moving, and it actually kept the splashes inside the bucket instead of all over my shoes. I used it with just warm water on my laminate floors, and it picked up pet hair way better than my old cotton mop. The handle goes up to 48 inches, which saved my back from a lot of unnecessary leaning. If you want a classic, reliable setup that just works without any learning curve, this is the one to get.
Product number 2. O-Cedar Rinse Clean System. The Rinse Clean feels a bit heavier than the standard version, and that's because the bucket is actually 2-in-1. This is the big upgrade if you hate the idea of dipping a dirty mop back into clean water. I noticed a huge difference when cleaning my muddy entryway. I could see the dirty water being separated into its own tank. It's pretty satisfying knowing only fresh water is hitting the floor. It comes with 2 extra mop heads, which is great because I just toss the dirty ones in the washing machine when I'm done. The foot pedal works exactly like the original, giving me total control over how wet the mop stays. If you're a bit of a germaphobe or have really high traffic floors that get filthy fast, the extra cost for the clean water tank is totally worth it.
Product number 3. Life Height Clean Twist Set. The Life Height has a totally different vibe. Instead of a foot pedal, the spinning mechanism is actually built right into the handle. When I first tried it, I was worried it might feel flimsy, but it's surprisingly smooth. You just push down on the handle to spin. I really appreciated the wheels on the bottom of the bucket. I could just roll it along as I moved through the living room instead of lugging a heavy gallon of water around. The handle also extends a bit further than the others, reaching up to 55 inches, which was great for my taller frame. It lays almost completely flat, so I could slide it under my sofa without moving the whole thing. If you have a bad back or just hate lifting heavy buckets, those wheels make this a winner.
Product number 4. Simply Magic 79349 System. Holding the Simply Magic, it feels like a straightforward, no-frills tool. It's a bit lighter than the O-Cedars, but it gets the job done. The best part here is the value. It came with 3 microfiber heads in the box, which honestly covers me for almost a year of cleaning. During my tests, I found it rinsed out really easily without needing much force. I used it on some rougher concrete in my basement, and the microfiber held up without shredding. The pole is extendable, though it feels a little thinner than the Life Height. It doesn't have the fancy water separation, but it mops just as well as the more expensive brands if you're just doing standard weekly cleaning. If you're looking to save some cash but still want the convenience of a spin mop, grab this one.
Product number 5. Bomiti Mop and Bucket with Separation. The Bomiti is the most high-tech feeling of the bunch. It's got a stainless steel basket and handle that felt really solid when I was putting it together. What I loved about this one was the scraping teeth inside the bucket. I have a golden retriever, and this was the only mop that actually stripped the hair off the mop head, so I didn't have to pull it off with my hands. It also separates the sewage from the clean water using a very compact square bucket. I found it used much less water than the big round buckets, which is great if you're trying to be mindful of that. The handle goes all the way up to 61 inches, making it perfect for cleaning walls or high windows too. If you want the most durable, feature-packed system, this is it. Outro. Hopefully that helps you pick the right mop for your home so you can spend less time cleaning and more time actually enjoying your floors. I've put the links to all 5 of these in the description below so you can check the latest prices. See ya!